Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, the following are the monthly return of advantage fund and the market portfolio. So they have given a table containing three columns: month and advantage return and market portfolio return has been given. The month will start from January to December, and the return of the advantages fund would be 2381, 2411, 20, 2, -2 and 1. And in case of market portfolio it would be 320, 230, -1, 3, -2, 2, 1, 3. They have required us to ascertain the excess return under market star moving star index and rate the performance in companion with the market return if the risk-free rate is 9%. Here we have to ascertain the return under moving star index, and we need to write the performance and compare it with the market portfolio. So for that I have prepared a statement for the market portfolio return for past year in 9 is 9, which is converted into months. It will be 9 divided by 12, which would be 0.75. So the market return would be 9%. Therefore 9 divided by 12, which gives you the return per month as 0.75, sorry. Then I have made a table containing 5 columns: month, then advantages fund with and then we have risk of losses, then we have market portfolio, and then the risk of losses of the market portfolio also given. Now how the risk of losses is computed? So the risk of losses would be advantages fund minus 0.75. So if the advantage fund is lesser than 0.75, then it would be the value would be negative, or the risk of losses would be high. So over here, the first one, January, the advantages fund has a return of 2%. So 2 minus 0.75 would not have any problem, right? Yes. Now it's February. We have 3%. 3 minus 0.05, it won't be have any problem. But in March we have negative 1% of return. So -1 minus 0.75 will give you 1.75 as risk of losses. In April we have 2 minus 0.75 will not make any difference, or it would be a negative return. And for May it would be 4%, 4 minus 0.75, no problem, or it won't make any negative return. For June it would be 1 minus 0.75, no problem. July same, and in August it would be 2 minus 0.75, there won't be any problem. But in September it is 0, therefore 0 minus 0.75 will give you negative 0.75, which is a risk of loss. Then October, no problem. November it is -2, so -2 minus 0.75 will give you 2.75 as risk of losses. December it would be 1 problem. After that you need to take the total, so therefore the total return 15%, and risk of loss, the total of the risk of loss will be 5.21%. When it comes to market portfolio and risk of losses, it would be market portfolio minus 0.75. If market portfolio is less than 0.75, it is a risk of loss. So 3 minus 0.75, no issue. 2 minus 0.75, no issue. When it comes to the month of March, for market portfolio, the return is -0. Therefore 0 minus 0.75, there is a loss of 0.75. After that we have in the month of June, there is no return for market, therefore 0 minus 0.75 will give you 0.75 as risk of loss. And in July also there we have a problem, because then the return is -1. So -1 minus 0.75, which is again the risk of loss of 1.75. After that, we have in September we have -2 as the return, which means -2 minus 0.75 will give you 2.75 as the risk of loss. And when we take the total, the risk of losses would be 6% and total return of the market would be 16%. So when it is converted to per month basis, the total average return would be 1.25 and risk of losses of the security or the advantages fund would be 0.44 and types of market return would be 1.33 and the risk of losses of the market portfolio would be 0.5. So the moving star index per month would be moving star index would be advantages fund per month minus risk of market portfolio per month minus risk of loss per month, which means 1.25 minus 0.432, which gives you 0.81, and in terms of market portfolio it would be 1.33 minus 0.5, which is 0.83. So I here the MSI moving star index of advantages fund is lesser than the market portfolio, therefore the advantages fund is underperformed. So here when we check the figures, we know the market portfolio, the moving star index of market portfolio is much higher than the moving star index of the security or advantages fund. Therefore the advantages fund has been outperformed or underperformed when it's compared to market portfolio. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.